What is going on? So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about the stock market, and I'm going to be talking about Vale and just kind of what I'm seeing in the market. So stay tuned. If you're a new subscriber, hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're from. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Vale. So Vale's at $13 now. So it's up a little bit. I still think it's a good price. The higher it gets, the lower percentage of the dividend of whatever dollar price. But yeah, I mean, Vale is nickel and iron. I haven't really seen any really drastic price increases for those metals lately, but we could definitely see it come spring and summertime. So yeah, I think that's a very good investment in my opinion. I still think it at $13, but obviously it's better if you could get it at 12 or get it at 11. But yeah, so with the stock market, we had the SPY. I don't know exactly what the SPY went to because I trade SPX500, which is 10 times what the SPY is. So SPX500 went to 4,500, and so that would be about 450. But I don't know if the SPY hit it because the SPY isn't trading 24 hours in the day. So yeah, but the SPY did drop a little bit. It went to probably like 472 maybe, or 471 maybe for a high before. Now it's probably going back to highs. Before it could definitely go back to about 470 in the next 4 to 6 weeks. We want to see oil keep pushing higher. So if oil keeps pushing, that'll move the stock market. The risk is pretty low in the market based on like the 10-year yield and just with the dollar index. So yeah, there is a lot of investments. Like money's getting sent towards the stock market. The crypto market, Goldman Sachs, I believe, was talking about doing a loan or whatever. So for their like rich investors for them to use for collateral for the loan, having Bitcoin. So that could push up some hype, I guess. There's other reasons for Bitcoin going up. It's expanding balance sheet, but we'll see. I mean, I kind of thought that 100K was going to happen before the end of the year, and now it kind of seems unlikely. I think maybe it could still go, right? But I'm having a little bit of doubts. It definitely needs to push real soon, right? I mean, you could see like some parabolic move, right? Where it just goes from, like it all of a sudden it gets above $68,000, and then it just keeps climbing, and it goes like straight one shot to 100K, and then it sells off to like 70K or something like that. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, those are pretty much. There's other cryptos that I'm involved with, but Bitcoin is a pretty safe asset class if you can get it. I think, well, I think it would be good to get it around like 50K, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. And I kind of see that if it's gonna go to all-time highs, maybe go to 100K, maybe even higher come spring, then it's gonna fall probably in the summertime, and then it'll do another kind of push up. So I mean, you kind of got to understand the waves with it. You don't want to be buying it at all-time high, but you want to be buying the dips, right? Like when people are fearful, like 38K, it got eaten up really big, right? So just Bitcoin's just a very big asset class because it's the biggest crypto, and crypto, they want to make it, kind of a global thing, and just more people are going to understand that they will want to own crypto because I don't know how to explain it. It's just like so many reasons why people would want to own crypto, and the fact that if there's only 20 million Bitcoin, well, there's 7 billion people on the earth, right? So you divide that up, and then the rich have like a lot more Bitcoin or whatever, right? Then to own a little bit of Bitcoin is going to be worth a lot more in like 5 to 10 years. So I definitely see a case for Bitcoin going to 500,000, even 1 million. Do I agree with it? No, not really. I mean, I'm more like realistically believe that something like gold should be worth, $50,000, and silver should be worth $2,000, and I'm more about that kind of stuff. But based on the people that are in this world, based on their intelligence, um, it just seems more likely that Bitcoin is probably going to go to 500,000 before gold ever goes to $50,000, right? That's just my opinion. But anyways, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this session talking about Vale and talking about the stock market. What I see, I want to see oil keep pushing up, and that'll keep, if we start to see oil selling off to $50, then just expect the market can follow it. Last time when the market went down in March 2020, oil went to about negative, but like $10-20, and then the market just crashed because oil's the lifeblood of the military industrial complex. So again, shaka peace, I'm out.